Hello guys, welcome back to today's class, and you're welcome back to the WAEC GCE class. Okay, and we are still on this topic, indices. Okay, and we have three questions here under this indices to solve. We have a three question there for this coming WAEC GCE examination. So we have started our class, and this is the first topic, and we're looking at question under indices. Okay, I picked this question from past question of WAEC GCE, also WAEC GCE here, and it is indices what question different years. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel or just watching my video for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, or change the button in case what should have benefit like this, and you'll be the first to notify whenever we have a benefit like this in our video in our channel, so you'll be the first to notify. And before you proceed, I think by now you should have your pen with you and also your lesson notes. So let's dive into the solution of this question here. Okay, before I go, I'll have two questions here to solve, but I will solve question 1. Okay, this one is question 1. I will solve this question 2, but this question 3, I will give it as a classwork, I'll assignment to be submitted. So if you are not yet join my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group, so I'll drop the link in the comment section or in the description below, so you can join us. And if you want to get access to the material I'm using to take my class, so you can also join, so you get it from that particular channel, right? So let's dive into it. Please I want to do this for favor for me. I want to share this video so people are looking for this opportunity can get in touch with this video so they can learn from the channel also. So let's dive into it. So question 1 states that you evaluate 27 multiplied by, that is 2 raised to the power of 0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of minus 2 divided by, we have 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. So how to solve this question? Okay, this question is very simple. So how to solve it is, being the first time you see the question like this, I did solve it as a student. Okay, so imagine that you see this question now in this upcoming exam now. So how do you solve it? So let's dive into it. So let's question 1. We have the solution. So here we have the question here. We have 27 multiplied by. So in this place, you know, these are 2 raised to the power of 0. You should know that in the law of indices I gave you, that I explained everything about indices. You know that 2 raised to the power of 0, anything that raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So this one we have 1 here. So let's say that we have 1 multiplied by. So in this place, this one is negative inverse. Okay. So in case you missed our previous class on this law of indices, when you see an equation like this, it's negative inverse, which expresses that if you have a raised to the power of minus n, and you can express this minus here is represented as 1 over, and this a is power of what, or a is power of this n. So whenever I say expression like this in mathematics, just this is the answer. And when I say expression like this in mathematics, this is the answer according to the law of indices. So let's apply Z. We have it in form of this, so let's bring back in form of this. So if we bring back in form of this, so we have also to be equal to, this place to be equal to, we have 1 over, that is 3 raised to the power of what, of 2. So that is the same thing of this we have here compared to the negative law of indices. So here we still divided by. So this one, okay, let me put it like this. Let me open bracket because this one multiplied by this 2 here. I'll put this one inside brackets. Okay. So this division I have here, let me put it like this. We have divided by. Okay. And this one is also what? Negative index. This is also negative index. So how do you apply this one in form of this negative index? This minus here is the same thing as writing as 1 over, okay, and this one is equal to, that is 4 raised to the power of what, 1 over 2, okay. So we close bracket. So let's solve it. So let's solve this one. So this one we have equal to, that is 20. This that is 27. 1 times 1 that give us multiplied by 1 times 1, that is 1 over. So in this place we have 9, right? It has 2 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 2, we give 9, that's 3 times 3, we have 9. So we have 9 here, so we have divided by. So in this place now, there is this square root here, this square here, this half here. You know, in the law of indices, I gave you a law, that is the third law, the 7th law I gave you under this law of indices. When you have a root fraction, if you have a root of power, if you have a question that has a root, that has root as a power, so it means this is the root or the cube root or anything that has root. So if you have a experiment like they have 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 is equal to, that is square root of what, of a, this a, or if you have something like this, a raised power 2 1 over 3, it means that we have to find what the cube root of this word, this a. So if we should apply it here, this half is the same thing as what, as square root of what, of 4. So this here we have divided by, that is 1 over, that is square root of what, of 4. So in this place now, let's solve the multiplication first. So it means that this 9 here, 1, then can go to 27, that gives us as 3. 3 times 1, that gives us as 3. That divided by, so in this part now, square root of 4, you know the square root of 4 is what, is 2, so we have 1 over what, that is 2, and now you can simplify it, very simple now. So this place is in fraction, this one is not in fraction, make this one also in fraction to do the 1 to it, and this multiplication here, you change into what, this division here, you change to multiplication. So when you change to multiplication, it will return to the inverse of this second part here. This 2 will goes, or this one will comes down, so that will equal, that is 3 over 1 multiplied by, that is 2 over 1. Okay, so this 2 will goes up, while this one will comes down. So when this division is changed to multiplication, so it will be equal to 3 times 2, that is 6, 1 times 1, that is 1. So the answer to this question is equal to what, 6. So the answer to this is equal to 6. So guys, that is how I solve this question. Or it's in a similar question like this, that is how I solve it. So let's go to the question 2. Okay guys, so welcome back. So let's solve this question 2 now. So to solve this question 2 is almost like question 1 we solved there, but this one, this is a fractional index, this one is negative index, this one is a fractional index. So how do you solve this question like this? So let's put it here, let's expel this one out. Here we have what, this minus we have here, it will affect, according to the law of indices that I gave you that time, this minus here will affect this what, these brackets, whereby that this minus here is to call effect on this bracket. So this one to be equal to, let me say the question 2 here, it will be equal to this 125, it goes up because of this minus, and this 8 it comes down. Okay, so it will be equal to, that is 125 divided by, that is 8. Okay, everything is raised power of 1 over 3. So we have multiplied by, so in this place now we have the same thing here. This 1 over 4 is saying as find the fourth root of this word, this question. This 1 over 4 is saying find the fourth root of this question. So it means that we have 1 over 16, we have the fourth root of 1 over 16. Okay, we want to find the fourth root of this 1 over 16. That is the same thing we have this according to the law of indices I gave you in the previous class. Whenever I say 1 over, and I have a unity as a you have a 1 as the numerator, you find the fourth root of it. This one also, if it comes to this place, you also find the third root of this question here. But because of this minus here, that is why I still express it like this. So we have to be equal, we have to divide it by, and here this 1 over 2, 25 is power 1 over 2. So that means that I'll find the square root of this 25. So that will be equal to, we have a square root of 25. So now let me bring this one back here. So this one, now to solve it now, here we have what, this 1 over 2 raised power 1 over 3, it means that I find the cube root of this question here. So this one will be equal to, let me create more space. So okay, this one will be equal to, when you find the cube root of this, it will be equal to, that is 125 divided by, that is 8. So we want to find the cube roots. Because of this, it means that I find the cube root of this question. Multiply by, same thing here, you have to find what? The fourth root of 1 over 16. So divided by, that is the square root of what? Of 25. So now, if you find this, the fifth root, the cube root of 125, that is 5 times 5 times, that is 5 is power of 3, that is 5, right now. Let's put it like that. The cube root of 125 is 5. And the cube root of 8 is 2. So therefore now we have it to be equal to, we have the cube root of this, that is 5 divided by the cube root of 8, that is what, 2 multiplied by, and here the fifth root of 1 is still also 1 divided by the fourth root of 16 is 2. Okay, so everything divided, let me put it like this division here, let me put it as divided by, okay, root of 25, that is 5. So let's solve it now. That is 5 times 1, we have 5. 2 times 2, that is 2. So it will be equal to, we have 5 over 4. That is 2 times 2, we have 4. Well done. Divided by, we have 5. So now we have the division here. So we have to change the division to multiplication now. Okay, this one is in fraction. Let's introduce one over into this to make this one also what in fraction. And you then will change this division to multiplication. So when you change the division to multiplication, what we have, so let's say that from this place, so we have a 5 divided by 4 multiplied by, so when you multiply that, we have 5 over 1, that's it give us as 1 over what, over 5, because when you change the division here, this part we have effect, it goes, or this one will goes up, while this one will goes down, to be inverse of this. So we have it like this. So the answer this in this place, this 5 can cancel 5 here. So it means that we have 1 times 1 here. So the answer to this question is equal to 1 over 4. So the answer to this question 2 is equal to 1 over 4. And the answer to question 1 is equal to 6. So therefore now guys, you go ahead and solve this question 3. Okay, let me bring it back here. So you go ahead and solve this question 3 as a classwork. Hey guys, so that comes to the end of the class today. So in the next class, we shall be looking more example on this particular question under this WAEC GCE class. So welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC GCE examination. So guys, we are still under this topic indices, okay, and we have another 2 questions here to solve. Okay, so guys, it's the first time watching my video or with my channel, enjoy to subscribe, like, also turn your button in case what you have benefit like this, you'll be the first to notify. And also guys, I want you to share this video across with a friend and family so they can get access to this platform where they can learn in mathematics daily. So if you have a friend that are writing this upcoming WAEC GCE, or someone here that are writing this upcoming WAEC GCE, please share this channel with them. Okay, this particular video you can share with them so they can gain access to it. So guys, if you are new to my channel and you wish to join our Telegram group or WhatsApp group, I will leave the link in the comment section in case you need the material, the material or the textbook I'm using to take you guys, or the past question for WAEC GCE. I will drop the link to my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel where you can get access to the past questions. Okay guys, let's dive into it. Okay, so what if you see the question like this, how do you solve it? Okay, let's dive how you can solve a question like this. So the question says is simplify. Okay, let me take an indicated now. So now the question that is simplify, we have open bracket, we have s squared, y raised to power of what, of minus 3, z close bracket, and also raised to power of 3 over 4 divided by s raised to power of minus 1 and y raised to power of what, of 4, and z raised to power of what, of 5. And the second question says that to find the value of s if 5 raised to power of s, 5 raised to power of 3 equal to 1 over 5. Okay, in this video, I will solve this question 1. So I will give this one as a assignment, okay, and class will be submitted. So guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram group before, I will give a link. I will drop a link in the description below or in the comment section so you guys can join. So you can submit the assignments and you can give me the answer you get in the comment section. So if you have any issue with it, I will do the solution with you guys. So let's dive into the solution of this now. To solve this question now, what you just have to remember here, the first thing and the easiest way here is to open this bracket, okay, this bracket here with this power, okay. If you open this bracket with this power, so the question, okay, let's say is the solution. So we open the bracket, let me take this in very well, okay. So we open this bracket down, that is a 1 over 3 multiply, we used to open this bracket, 1 over 3 goes there, 1 and 3 over 4, we also what, raise the power of this, we also raise the power of all this one, this is what, according to law, and that is power what, index. So let's apply it now. So we have our s, raised power of 2, and also is still raised power of what, of 3 over what, over 4, okay, multiply by, if we have a multiplication here which is not visible, the same thing as y here. We have y raised power of what, of minus 3, and also is still raised power of what, of this, or 3 over 4. And the next one we have a z, that is z does not raise power of anything here, so z raised power of what, of 3 over 4. So everything divided by, that is our s raised power of minus 1, okay, y raised power of 4 and z raised power of what? Of 5. So in this place now, if you should open this bracket here from this place, these 2 here can cancel, 2 can goes in 4 here, that will be what? 2. Okay, so in this aspect, so nothing. So here we have what? Our s raised power of what? Of 3 over 2. So that will be therefore, we have our s raised power of what? Of 3 over 2 in this aspect, multiplied by, here in this place, that is minus 3 times 3. Okay, that is minus 9. So you have our y raised power of what? Minus 9 over what? 4. And in this aspect now, that will be multiplied by, we have z raised power of 4, that is 3 over 4. So the next here now, let's do division, and let's bring a division like this to make it more easier. So here we have what? That is, we have s raised power of minus 1 multiplied by y raised power of 4 multiplied by, we have z raised power of 4 to 5. So now the next thing to do here now, let's apply the division law of indices to the next step here. So here we have s here and we have s as base here, so they are common. So the index is 3 over 2, while the index is equal to what? Minus 1. So let's take the first index. They have our s. Okay, let me take my pen out. So we have our s. Okay, s with the first index here is that is 3 over what? Over 2. And okay, so the next, because of the division here, changed towards minus. And here we have, okay, let's write the minus here. And in this period, the second index is minus 1. So let's put in the bracket, that is open minus what? 1, close bracket. Okay, we have done with s, so let's go for y. So we have multiplied by, we have y. The first index of y here is minus 9, that is minus 9 over 4. And here, the second index of y here, that is what? That is 4. And this division here is minus, that goes minus what? 4. Okay, we have done with y, so z now. So if you apply the z also, we have z raised power of the first index here, that is 3 over 4. Okay, while the next index here is 5, and we have minus here as division here change to minus, we have minus 1, that is 5. So in this place now, if we should open the bracket we have here, minus times minus, this one give us plus. So it means that so we have a plus 1 here. So now the next thing here, now let's make this one as what? Fraction also, because this one is in fraction. I'll make this one also in fraction, introduce over 1 to it. This one is in fraction, make all this one also in fraction, introduce over 1 to it. This one also in fraction, make this one also in fraction, introduce over 1 to it. So the next thing now, you find the SL of the denominator here. So the SL of 2 and 1, that should be what? 2. And the SL of 4 and 1 here, now it be 4. And the SL of 4 and 1 here to be also be 4. So let's dive into it now. So now in this place now, we have, let's write as S, okay? H raised power of 4, the SL of 2 and 1, that is what? 2. So we have over, raised power of over, that is 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1 times 3, that gives us what? As 3. Then plus, we have plus here, I've changed to plus here. We have 1 divided by 2, that is 2. Times what? Times 1, that gives us what? As 2. So we have done with this s, so let's go to this y. So we have multiplied by, we have y. So in this place now, the SL of this one, that is 4 and 1, that is 4, that is raised power of divided by over 1, over 4 rather. So here, 4 divided by 4, that is 1. 1 times minus 9, that gives us minus what? 9. Okay, and here we have minus 1 divided by 4, that is 4, times 4. 4 times 4, we have 16. Okay, so you have done with this for y. So let's go to this z now. So for this z now, it's raised power of the SL of 4 and 1 here is also what? 4 rather. So divide this one by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 4, 1 times 3. That gives us what? As 3. Okay, minus. And here we have what? 1 divided by 4, that is 4, times 5, we have 20. Here we have 20. So the next thing then, let's add this numerator now. Let's add it together. Numerator, that is 3 plus 2 here, we have 5. So it means that our s is raised power 5 over 2 multiplied by, we have y. So in this place, minus 9 minus 16. Minus and minus 16, that gives us minus what? 25. Here we have minus what? 25 over 4. Okay, multiplied by, we have our z. So here 3 minus 20, that gives minus 17. So we have minus 17 over 4. Okay, so in this place then, this is not, you can leave the answer like this. Okay, this will be the solution of this question, or you can stay, because we still have negative here, you can apply negative index here, Also, you can also apply negative indices. So let's apply negative indices so you get our final answer. Remember, this one is 5. So if you apply negative indices, so what will be the answer now? So let me take this one up. So it to be equal to, here we have this negative here, it will be equal to, this our s is base power of 5 over 2 multiplied by, where this negative here, which to be 1 over, okay, so here we have 1 over, if you still remember, negative index. So this minus we have here, it means that's 1 over. So it means that this y is base power of 4, or 25 over 4. So you have a y base power of 4, 25 over 4 multiplied by. So for this z also, the same thing occur here, is the same thing here, we got our minus z, now equal to 1 over. So here we have our z that is z base power of 4, that is 17 over 4. So in this place now, you can multiply that as this one is over 1, okay, make it all 2 in fraction. So s base power of 5 over 2 times 1 times this, that give us equal to, that will give us equal to, that is our s base power of 5 over 2 divided by, okay, so it will be divided by this, that is 1 times this times this, that give us our y base power of 25 over 4. And our z now is base power of 17 over 4. Okay, here is 17. So now the solution to this question is equal to this. So this is the solution to this, or to this question. So if you understood this, guys, go and solve this question. Go ahead and solve this question 2 as the classwork. So in the comment section, use the comment section and let me know your answer on this particular question, or you can submit it into my DM on WhatsApp. So I'll drop the link to my DM. I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel, so in the description below or in the comment section, so you can join us, so you can interact with us. So guys, I'll thank you for watching to this moment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, also change your button in case you're benefit like this, you'll be the first to notify, and also share this video with your friend. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now.